Ever wonder how the process works? We call it TRS. Test, review, share. Once we have product in our hands, we're all over it. For instance, let's look at this deer repellent from Bobbex. After reading the label, we try it out. And that's the test part. Now we need to create a review, but our findings just aren't enough. We search out what the authorities have to say about their experiences, and that's you. Ever hear of Trustpilot? Bobbex has a rating that's through the roof. Look what Ted has to say. It actually works. Gave Bobbex Deer Repellent a try out of desperation. It works. Plants are thriving. Now I can see Ann shouting from her balcony. We've tried countless ways to keep deer out of our vineyard, and Bobbex is the only effective product we've found. And Mary Ann called their toll-free number and actually talked to a real person. She said, I received help from an experienced staff member. She explained the usage of the concentrate versus the ready mix, so now I'm using the ready mix. Bobbex works. Now that we have our reviews, it's time to share. Rated number 1, Bobbex Deer and Animal Repellents. Effective, eco-friendly, long-lasting.